Coober Pedy, known nationally and internationally as the Opal capital of the world, has a population of approximately 2,000 people. In 1920, the official name of the Opal field was needed, and the Progress Committee voted on Coober Pedy, an Aboriginal term meaning white man in a hole. You got to look at this place, white man in the hole, and just wonder who has the responsibility to clean up this mess. For what we could see, nobody was working these holes. Yet the mess is just still there. You got to wonder.